and from YouTube, download that video onto your computer so that way you can post it into WordPress. So here we are in iMovie. I just finished the turkey time video for the blog. In the right-hand corner of your iMovie screen, you're going to see this box with the arrow pointing up. So that's going to be the upload button, and you're going to have a couple of different features to choose from. You can email it, put it on Facebook, save it, export files. So I click the YouTube button. Then it's going to ask you for a description, have the size, etc., etc. So public. So down here on the left-hand bottom corner of the pop-up, you're going to see what account it's going to upload the video to. So it's my personal account right now. If you wanted the Seymour account, just make sure that that correct email is down in this area right here. Then you're going to hit the next button, and then it just gives you a terms of service agreement. You're going to publish, and then you're going to see this circle pop up, and it's going to tell you how far along the video is. So what I want to do is I want to go to YouTube and to my account. It's going to be whatever account you end up putting the videos onto. Oops. Okay, so iMovie is going to share when uploading is successful. You can visit or close it out. I'm just going to hit visit since I haven't pulled up YouTube yet. So it's going to have this at first. It's going to say we're processing the video, come back later. I've already uploaded this video, so I'm going to go to my account, which is going to show you a picture, right? And then you're going to go to YouTube Studio. And you're going to see your latest video is going to pop up here once it uploads to YouTube appropriately. So you want to go to the left-hand side underneath the picture of where your account is. You're going to go to videos. I'm going to quickly show you how to edit so that way the picture, you can choose whatever picture you want as the kind of thumbnail type thing. So you're going to go to the details, which is the pencil icon. Click that. It's going to give you the link to your video on your YouTube account, and then it's going to say thumbnail. I have noticed that this is pretty particular of like what picture you set as the thumbnail. So I always take a screenshot of what I want for my thumbnail to be. I save it to my desktop, and then it's going to ask you to like add something. It's going to be blank right here where my mouse is, and you're just going to hit that button and it's going to say upload. You're going to upload that, and then you're going to come over here and save your changes. So that's how you get your own thumbnail in there. If you don't pick a thumbnail, it's just going to pick something in the video for you, and just a random frame. Let's go back to our studio, and the three dots on top of each other, when you hover over it with your mouse, you're going to see it says options. You want to click options, and then it's going to give you a couple of different settings here. You want to hit download. Then it's going to come down here to your download section or whatever browser you end up having open. I'm going to hit open. I'm going to hit the little downward arrow by the name. I'm going to name it Turkey Time with no, you don't want an MP4 afterwards. I've noticed that when you upload it to WordPress and you have it say .mp4, it won't set the video correctly. So just a heads up. I'm going to save it to my desktop and then hit enter, and it's going to be on my desktop. So that's how I upload a video to YouTube, download it onto my desktop, and now it's ready to upload again onto WordPress. And I'll show you guys that when I go into my WordPress tutorial.